YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to show or hide your desktop icons for Windows 10, Windows 8 and Windows 7. There are two solutions for that. So for solution number one is click anywhere in your desktop, go for view, and here show the desktop icon. As you can see, it disappeared. Go again, view, show your desktop icons, it disappear again. For Windows 10, click anywhere in your desktop, go for personalize, go for themes, done. Related settings, go for desktop icon settings, here, computer, network, control panel, apply, okay. In your Windows 8, click anywhere in your desktop, go for personalize, change desktop icons, here computer, network, control panel, apply, okay. For Windows 7, click anywhere in desktop, click personalize, and here change desktop icons, and here is computer, network, control panel, click apply, click OK. Here is it. I hope that will help you to solve your problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.